Since I got my iPhone 10 about 8 months ago, it's been hard to find a case that offers good enough protection and still lets me use things like Apple Pay and wireless charging. Luckily, I recently found a pair of cases that not only offers good enough protection, but still lets me use those features. Hey guys, and welcome back to BenderTube. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon for notifications, and follow us on IGTV at BenderTube OG. First up is the Magcase, which is available for a bunch of different flagship phones. And while at first glance it might not seem like much, it's made from durable, bulletproof, military-grade materials. Now, it's not going to deflect bullets like Wonder Woman's wrist cuffs, but it is going to protect your phone from drops. Inside the case, it houses metal plating. They're put in such a way that it doesn't screw up wireless charging, Apple Pay, or NFC if your phone has that, but it does allow you to magnetically mount it with compatible mounts. This also allows it to work with most Qi chargers available out on the market. On the plus side, the Magcase does come with a screen protector. I chose not to use it because I like those wraparound ones that you can't really see, but it is there and it is decent quality. The only downside of this phone is it does have the top and bottom side panels exposed, so you run the risk of scratching those up, but I've dropped my phone a few times now with the case on, and it hasn't happened to me yet. The other case is the Magcase Pro. It's currently only available for the iPhone 10, and it passes military grade drop tests. It's like putting side impact airbags and shock absorbers onto your phone. That makes it a little bit beefier than the Magcase, but it offers all around protection, and even with all that extra padding, you still get to use all the features of your iPhone 10. Both cases are capable of mounting and charging magnetically with the use of the Mag Mount Qi. Now that comes in 3 different styles. I went with the suction come out because you can throw that on your windshield or your dash and switch it out in cars if you need to go on a road trip. Unlike your normal car mount, there are no clamps or releases that you have to mess with to get your phone out. Just slap it on and pull it off when you're ready. The only part that I didn't like about the Mag Mount Qi wasn't in the design at all. It just doesn't include a micro USB cable or a car charger, so you have to get those separately. At this point, you're probably wondering if you should get it or forget it. Well, both of these cases run $50 a piece, and I've bought cases about half the price up till now. The only problem with that is they're either thin and break apart easily, or they're really thick and you can't use wireless charging with them. If you want to use a case in wireless charging, I definitely recommend these cases, especially since you have your choice of a thin case or a thicker case depending on your preference. And if you're looking for an easy, secure way to mount and charge your phone in the car, I definitely recommend the Mag Mount Qi to get the most out of these cases, and on top of it, it feels durable, and it's only about 25 bucks. I'll have links down in the description below, as well as my other tech recommendations. And that's it for me today, guys. If you found the video helpful, leave a like, leave a comment, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.